So Yoshiko, I honestly never thought watercress was going to change my life, but here we are.
Yes, the taste of this beef watercress rice bowl is really addictive. It's been one of my favorite dishes for more than 30 years.
30 years? Wow, I hope I'll be one of your favorite dishes for that long as well.
I hope so too.
Fast, healthy, and super easy. The secret to a long-term relationship. Sounds good to me. So let's try and make it. And the first step is grating some ginger. You want to grate a piece that's small yet generous.
Not too small, not too big. When you are done, it should look like this.
Got it. Small but mighty. And so now to a small pot, we pour in 1 tablespoon of sake and add 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Bring it all to a boil on low to medium heat. But as Yoshiko always says,
trust your instinct.
right, cooking is jazz, not math. And so now we toss in the ginger. Ah, that aroma deserves a standing ovation. Yay!
Yes, the audience is getting hungry.
Right, got it. So we're using thin slices of beef like sukiyaki or shabu shabu cuts. They cook quickly and stay tender just the way we like it. And a little fat on the beef makes this dish extra delicious.
Yes, make sure you pay attention to cooking the beef just right.
Yes, chef. Right. So we scoop some warm rice into a bowl and pile on the beef. Don't be shy with that magical sauce. And next the watercress. After trimming off the thick stems, arrange around the beef carefully like a halo. And that's a lot of watercress. Did we invite our rabbit friends around for dinner today?
No rabbits are joining us for this meal. It's all for us. You will see when you eat the beef, rice and watercress together, you will realize you can never have enough watercress.
So another benefit to this dish is that it's really healthy.
Yes.
And now for the finishing touch. Chopped raw and unsalted walnuts. A little extra nutty crunch. And boom, that's it. Fast, flavorful and healthy.
Let's eat while it's warm. And remember, cooking is just, not math.
Perfect.
Itadakimasu! Love Japanese food? Let's make it easy at home.
Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out our website for more tips and recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Got questions or requests? Drop a comment. We love to hear from you. Stay hungry, stay curious. Happy cooking!